Okay, coming to our main intention is not to send the data to the system or any devices. First, we want to check whether buffer is empty or not. That is done by, how can we check whether buffer is empty or not? That is done by using the UCSRA0 register, in which the fifth bit indicate the whether the UDR empty bit equal 1 or not. If it is 1 means the buffer is empty. If it is 0 means buffer is not empty, means buffer is within the buffer some data is available. Okay. Next, how can we check whether the data is available or not? Is nothing but during reception, that is the RXC bit. If the receive complete bit equal 1 means it is the ability to completely receive the character or completely receive the data from the system. If RXC equal 1 means the data is available within the buffer, then we want to read the data. Okay. Please understand this concept. Condition for to transmit means, suppose we want to transmit any data, how can we check whether the buffer is, whether the UDR or whether buffer is empty or full? Okay, that is TXC means transmit complete or buffer is empty, that is the UDR empty equal 1. TXC or buffer is empty. Okay, that is the UDR empty bit equal 1. If UDR empty bit equal 1, it says that buffer is empty and transmission complete, means transmission is complete. Once again we are going to the back slide. Okay, suppose I am sending the character A2 from microcontroller to system. Actually the character A is nothing but 8 bits. Okay, it is in the form of ASCII format 10000 something, and there is a 8 bit of data is available in the UDR. Okay, it will transfer 1 bit at a time. It will be first it will transfer first bit, second bit, after that last 8 bit. Okay, if you are storing the data means not bytes of data, we will store the one character. Okay, UDR is nothing but 1 byte register only, it stores the only one character. So suppose I want to transmit A will be stored in UDR. Actually A and A direct ga undadu, it is in the form of binary or ASCII format. ASCII format 1000 something. First it will send first bit, after that second bit. It will take some time in order to send the total entire 8 bits to the system. It will take some time. Suppose after that I want to transmit B, first I want to check whether this buffer is empty or not. Okay, if it is empty, it will transfer the data to the system. Okay, this is, you see here, this is a UCSRA register. This is a UCSRA register. I am not bothering about all the fields. I am interested on UDR E bit, that is the 5th bit, UDR empty bit. I want to monitor whether this bit is 1 or 0. If it is 1 means I am assuming that the buffer is empty. If it is 0 means some data is available. Okay. The condition for to check whether buffer is empty or not, while the general syntax is register and with interested bit value equal 0 with semicolon. Keep looping until UDR E0 flag is set. Means we want to keep on executing until the UDR bit is 1. Okay. Register and with 0x20. Why we got 0x20 means this is the register. Okay, in this register I am interested on only 5th bit. If you are putting the 1 at the 5th bit, remaining bits are 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 0, 0 means the answer is 20, 0x20. 5th bit, this is the 5th bit. Here 5th bit means this position maybe. Here some mistake is there. The 5th bit, actually 5th bit is here only. 5th, 6th, 7th. So 0, 0, 1, 0 means nothing but 0, 0, 1, 0 means nothing but 0x20. Okay, here this is the register. One minute. Okay, see here, condition for to check the transmission is completed or not. Okay, actually this is the UCSR. We are calculated the multiplication UCSR0A. This is the UCSR-A. Okay, I am not bothering about all the bits. I am bothering about the fifth bit, that is the UDR-FT, and with 0x20. 0x20 means 0010 Okay, if the buffer is empty, means there is no data in the buffer. The UDR bit equal 1. 1 into 1 means answer is 1. Is 1 equal 0? 1 equal 0 means false. When this condition is false, when the buffer is empty. Suppose buffer is full, means some data is available, or during transmission the UDR empty bit equal 0. Some data is available or during transmission. Actually it contains the 8 bits. Out of 8 bits, if you are sending the fifth bit also, we are considering as the buffer is full. Okay, if the buffer is full or some data is available, the UDR empty bit equal 0. 0 into anything equal to 0. 0 equal 0 means the condition is true. The condition true with semicolon means the microcontroller is keep on executing here only until the buffer is empty. Okay. If the transmission not completed means, the UDR empty bit equal 0. So the multiplication operation, the result is 0. Suppose the transmission is completed, means the answer is UDR bit equal 1. 1 into 1 means the answer is 0x200. Okay, the code for transmitting the data will be, okay, UCSRA and with 0x200 equal with semicolon. It is checking for whether the buffer is empty or not. If this condition is false, when the UDR empty bit equal 1, then only we are sending the data to UDR. This is for only to check whether the buffer is empty or not. If this condition is false means buffer is empty, then some data is stored in the UDR, then automatically it will send to the external device, that may be laptop or other device. Next, condition for reception. Okay, so in yesterday we are seeing the echo program. Okay, in the echo program, in the loop, first we want to check while of serial dot available integer a equals serial dot read. That is the predefined Arduino function serial dot available for to check whether data is available or not. In register level programming, okay, there is a 7th bit used for to check whether the data is available or not. If RxC bit receive complete bit equal 1 means some data is available in the buffer. Okay, I am talking about the with respect to the reception. Transmission is over. During the reception, During the reception, I want to check whether some data is available within the buffer or not. When the data is available, whenever we are sending the data from the system, that is a wired communication, or whenever the data is coming from Bluetooth module or Zigbee module or Wi-Fi module. Okay. The code for receiving the data, the same, the register and with interested bit, where we are interesting receive complete bit. This bit is 1, remaining bits are 0 0. The answer is 80, that is nothing but 0x80. The condition is while UCSRA and with 0x80 equal 0. This is condition for to check whether the data is available or not. If the data is available, means this condition is false. Suppose if there is no data, means RxC bit equal 0. 0 into anything is equal to 0. 0 equal 0 until the condition is true. True with semicolon means the microcontroller keep on executing here only until the data is coming. Okay. If the data is available, means Rx equal 1. 1 into anything is something. Something equal 0 means that is the false. This condition is false whenever there is some data is available. The data is available actually UDR that will be stored in some temporary variable D. Okay. Same operation. If data received completely, Rx bit equal 1. Otherwise, Rx bit equal 0. This is the UCSRA register. Okay, I am interested in RxC and with uh, 80, we will get the answer is, if it is there is no data, the answer is 0. If there is a data, means there is an answer is 0x80.
Two times copper, ఇప్పుడు 3 times copper, 4 times copper, 5 times.
This is for condition for reception. Okay, we are going to the direct program initialization. Okay, in AVR programming we should learn about the initialization statements. Are first one is UBRRH is 0, UBRR0L is 103, B is 18, C is 0x06. It is similar to serial.begin 9600. The condition for transmission is while the A register UCSR0A into 0x20 equal 0 with semicolon. It is for to check whether transmission is completed or not, whether buffer is empty or not. During reception, we want to check whether data is available or not. That register and with 0x80 equal 0 with semicolon. Suppose I want to send the A to serial monitor using AVR programming. In Arduino, we know serial.begin 9600, serial.println A. But in serial AVR programming, we need to initialize the register. These are the in the setup. UBR is 0, 103, B is 18, C is 06. Okay. Our purpose is I want to send the character A to system. Before going to transmit the A to system, the A will be stored in the buffer. Okay, first I want to check whether buffer is empty or not. That is done by the while UCSRA and with 0x20 equal 0. If the buffer is not, if the buffer is not empty, means this condition is true. The microcontroller keep on executing here only. If the buffer is empty, this condition is false. Then A will be sent to the UDR. After 1 second, again this is the for loop. It is a keep on executing. A will be transferred to the UDR, then automatically sent to the system. Then again we want to check A will be transmitted or not. If it is transmitted, again A will be sent to the UDR. This is the program for A. Suppose I want to transfer the GRIT EC. Okay. Suppose GRIT we want to transfer. Before going to G, we want to test it whether buffer is empty or not. After transferring G to the UDR, okay, again we want to transfer R. Before going to R also we want to check whether buffer is empty or not. Okay. That program is suppose I want to transfer GRIT. In the loop, setup is same. In the loop, first I want to transfer G, but I want to check whether buffer is empty or not. G will be sent to the UDR. Before going to R also I want to check because G is nothing but 8 bits. Okay, it will take some time. So we want to check whether that G will be completed or not, whether the buffer is empty or not. G is nothing but 8 bits. Okay, that will be stored in the UDR. It will take some time. Before going to R also we want to check whether buffer is empty or not. If it is not empty means we should wait until that empty. Next we will transfer R. Next we will transfer I, E, T. Next, this is a sample program. Next, another program is also there. Okay, no problem. Suppose are you able to see the program GRIT? GRIT. Okay. Suppose we are connected the board. Yeah, the board Arduino board is also there. Similarly, we see this is the AVR program for will receive and transmit it back. This is nothing but echo program. Means whatever we are sending the system, it will be received by the microcontroller and transferred to the system. The serial communication initialization statements are same. In the loop, in Arduino case, we want to check whether data is available or not. Here, while of UCSRA and with 0x80 equal with semicolon. It is used for to check whether data is available or not. If it is available means where the data is available, UDR. I will store in some temporary variable R. Okay. Again, that whatever the data in the R, I want to send it to the system. Once again, I want to check whether the buffer is empty or not. The UCSRA and with 0x20 equal with 0 with a semicolon, then R will be sent to the system. This is the echo program. First, we will receive the data from the serial monitor. The condition is UCSRA and with 0x80 equal 0 with semicolon. Means we need to wait until the data is coming from the system or external device. If the data is available means the data is available in the buffer, that is the UDR, that will be stored in some temporary variable A or R. Okay, that R character, whatever the data in the R, that will be sent to the system once again. Means I want to check buffer is empty or not. That is nothing but UCSRA and with 0x20 equal 0 with a semicolon. Okay, you should remember only one thing: reception the multiply with 0x80. The transmission we want to check UCSRA and with 0x20 for to check for transmission whether the buffer is empty or not. This is the case for echo program. Okay. Suppose program 2 to develop a PC based control system using AVR program. In the last class, we have seen using Arduino programming, we want to monitor and control the appliances using the serial. But here case, okay, on the computer, one if you are pressing one means LED on, if you are pressing the two is LED off. Here LED is connected to 13 pin using AVR program. We don't want to use the predefined function. So we are communicating with the LED and we are communicating, microcontroller is able to communicate with the system. So microcontroller is communicated with the system is serial communication. So we need to write the serial communication command. So we are communicating with the LED. So LED is connected to 13th pin. It is internally connected to port B. So port B is acting as a output. Okay. You see this program. UBRR L is 103, H is 0, B is 18. These are nothing but serial communication initialization, similar to serial dot begin 9600. So in the LED is connected to 13th pin, we want to declare 13th pin as a output. In the Arduino case, pin mode 13 comma output, that is enough. But in the AVR case, what is the register is available for to define whether pin is acting as input or output, that is the DDRX. Okay, but here DDRB equals 0xFF. If you are putting 1 means that pin is acting as output, 0 means that pin is acting as a input. So DDRB equals 0xFF means port B, we are making all the port B pins as a output. Next in the loop, the program is to monitoring or to control the appliances from the PC. First, we want to check, we want to enter the data in the serial monitor. First, we want to check whether data is available or not. While of UCSRA and with 0x80 equal 0 with semicolon. If it is available means that will be stored in the R. Again, that will be sent to the system. Here, if R equal 1 means if it is 1 means I want to turn on the LED. In those cases, Arduino case digital write 13 comma I is enough. But here there is a port X register is available for to write the data. Port B equal 0xFF means all LED on. Else port B equal 0xFF means all LED should be off. This is the program for to control the devices using AVR programming for to control the devices from the serial monitor. This is the for to transfer single character A and multiple also we are seeing GRIT. Next only echo program. Next for to control the AVR programming for to control the appliances from the serial monitor. Practically we will see the just 5 minutes we will complete, no problem. Meanwhile, here you can take the attendance and you can take the screenshots for attendance, number of participants.
Mama, ఇది పెట్టవా? పెట్టవా? ఇది పెట్టవా? ఇది పెట్టా?
Okay. See here, just 2 minutes. After uploading the program, you will get the answer, you know. Okay, there is no problem. Suppose I want to transfer GRIT using AVR, means we will individually send GRIT. We can also using the array concept. First, I will store the GRIT in the one array. Okay. In the loop, I want to take for loop integer I equals 0, size of A. Here, size of A is used for to find the length. In the C language, there is a strlen, string length. In order to find out the string length, there is a predefined function is strlen, but here there is a size of A. Size of A used for here size of A used for to check the length of the A. Okay, I equals 0, I less than size of A, I plus plus. Next, before going to transmit any data, first I want to check whether the buffer is empty or not. Next, if it is empty, then A of I means the initial value is 0. A of 0 means G will be sent to UDR, then automatically it's sent to the system. Next, I plus plus 1 plus plus means I equal 1 means before going to transfer next character also we want to check. This is the program for to send the string to the serial monitor using AVR. Okay, are you able to follow? Today we are discussing about the AVR serial communication. Okay, it has only 5 registers are there. One is the UCSRA for to check transmission or reception. The B register for enable and receive reception. C register is for to sell the character. And the one more register is there. UBRR register for to sell the baud rate. And the UDR for to it can hold the data. You should remember only uh, uh, two conditions for transmission and reception. One is the while UCSRA and with 0x20 equal 0 with semicolon for transmission. The reception UCSRA and with 0x80 equal 0 with semicolon. Okay. The why we are going for AVR means because we are the technical people, we should aware of the basic internal concepts of microcontroller programming. Suppose in the interview they will ask what is your mini project. Suppose you are telling that IoT mini project and major project. Okay, how can we interact with the system laptop means we are writing on the serial dot begin. What is the serial dot begin means serial communication initialization. That one line statement is not enough. We need to elaborate the sentence. Serial dot begin used for serial communication initialization. Within the so many registers are available, sir. We need to set the there are A, B, C registers are there. A register for to check whether data is available or not. B for enabling the reception and transmission, and C for to set the character size. Okay, these are the condition. Okay, this is a predefined function internally. all the setting is done by the only predefined function serial dot begin 9600. Okay, any doubts?